carrot cake cookies. Take one. All right, I know at least one of our family members on here has a lot of carrots, and she's looking for recipes to use up her carrots. She made the carrot cake roll, and she said it was delicious. So now we're going to try some carrot cake cookies. T-Bell, not that I mentioned your name. So first off, I have 2 sticks of butter in my bowl here. We've got that, and I have, mix that just a little bit. It's cold here today, so our room temperature is pretty cold, so my butter's a little stiff. It's been out for hours. And I have 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar and 3/4 cup of just white granulated sugar. And we're just going to drop all of that in. We're ready for some at least 70-degree weather. It's in the 50s here.
Yeah, they said Monday would get 75.
Southern Ohio, May 1st. 50s. I keep thinking today is Saturday.
It's not.
I know.
She keeps thinking, oh, tomorrow's church day. Nope, it's not.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, now we're going to put in 2 eggs.
The whole egg.
2 whole eggs. All right. And we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of our homemade vanilla, which, ooh, we're getting dang.
Yeah, we need to order some beans and make some more.
So we're going to say that is 2 teaspoons. Now we're going to put in our dry ingredients, which I have 2 3/4 cups of flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt in here. And then we're going to put in 2 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Is that just regular flour?
All-purpose flour. There's 2 1/2 of cinnamon. Now let's give that a little mixy mix in there. Get all that stirred up.
Well, if them taste anything like the carrot cake roll, they're going to be fantastic.
You put some cream cheese icing on top.
Oh my, yeah.
Or you can make them like whoopie pies and make
I was just getting ready to say that.
make a sandwich.
Yeah. Because I like those oatmeal cream pies you made. Oh,
And
man.
peanut butter ones.
Those was fantastic.
Like the Nutter Butters. Those are good too. Get in there. We'll get it all over me.
Yes, you are. I can see that happening. Need to use the bowl with the handle on it.
I don't do things easy.
Well, you like to challenge yourself, see?
There, see? Done. Mix that up a little bit.
Yeah, we even had to turn the heat back on here.
Yeah.
After all them 80-degree days we had.
He's like, I don't want to.
Nope. But it was cold. We had to.
And we got 1/2 cup of shredded carrots going in.
Shredded carrot.
And we're just going to mix all that up. And I know I say I don't like to let my cookies sit, but I think with these carrots and this flour, they will leave this set for about 30 minutes in the fridge after I get her all stirred up here. And I will put up the cream cheese icing recipe right after this recipe. Right after this video, I will put up the cream cheese one. How I do my cream cheese icing or filling. You can use it for whatever you want. What I use for my pumpkin rolls and my carrot cake rolls. And people love my cream cheese filling and stuff. So
yes, we do.
like I say, I sell it, I give it away. So the goodies I make. So
we'd rather sell them, but
sometimes we gotta get them hooked first.
Yeah. Got to give them a little sample and get them hooked. And it's like, I want more of that. Okay, it's going to cost you this.
All right, so I'm going to cover this, put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and we'll be right back. In the meantime, oven's preheating to 350. All right, they were in the refrigerator for half an hour, and I'm just scooping them out with my 1.5 tablespoon, I think this is. And putting 6 on there. And I'm just going to put them in the oven like this at 350 degrees for 11 minutes or so, and we'll let you know. Alright guys, microwave's done. Billy put something in the microwave. So we're going to have our carrot cake cookie, and I have some cream cheese icing here that I had in the fridge. So we're just going to put a little bit on there. And go taste it.
Oh, they smell so good. Smell delicious.
Yeah, he keeps saying, oh, they smell so good.
And I can't have one.
Yeah, you can have 6.
Yeah, I would eat 6. Really easy.
These are so good, guys. Give them a try. You have some carrots that you need to use up. Even if you don't need to use up, you want to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are so good. And like I said, I'm going to make some sandwiches with these, with some cream cheese icing. And I will leave the icing, like I said, the icing video after I put this one up. It'll be on there too. So here is the first batch. I got another batch over there cooling on the cookie sheet. And I froze some. So those are going to come out later. Alright guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show, and hype please.
Yes.
Peace out guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.